Everyone.
Good afternoon.
So today we are going to discuss about the design thinking concept on the small circuit for sustainable energy harvesting. So before going to discuss about this topic, the first thing we have to know what do you mean by design thinking. Can anyone tell me what do you mean by design thinking?
Design thinking is we have a certain problem. We can split into different ways. We want to take a first one idea. We can to prepare the idea. We want to test in the peoples.
So that is design thinking. So in design thinking, we are having 5 stages. So what are all the 5 stages in the design thinking?
So there are 5 steps, so 5 types. So there are empathize, define, ideate, prototype, and testing.
So according to our topic, we are going to integrate the design thinking concept based on this harvesting. Can anyone tell me what is the empathize part?
I'm going to talk about empathize. Most of the electronic devices need like the battery leaders and small changes like cost and environment pollutions. Devices like IoT systems need a continuous power supply, but in some different places we did not have a regular current supply. So we can use environment for a renewable energy source like sunlight, vibrations, heat, and radioactivity, radio waves. We can change into electricity. We can use for the devices. Using environment resources and harvesting or used for reducing e-wastage and supports to green technology and its development promotes your future development.
So we are going to see what are all the customers facing the problem. So the next part is the define part.
So the purpose of harvesting is not just about generating electricity. So the real problem that converting very low and unstable ambient energy converting into very high and stable power. So then ambient energy is like sources like light, vibrations, and heat. So they provide low voltage and currents. So that's why the circuit should be specifically designed to get use low powers devices. So and to keep these solutions meaningfully, so the circuit should be compact and it should be very low cost and very energy obedient, and that's all. And this one, the harvesting earth is so tiny, so that's why we can use we should target on low power devices like IoT nodes or sensors. We should not use high power devices.
And it's just the idea.
I can have both ideas, but in this stage we brainstorm different types of energy sources and decide which method is suitable for the small circuit. We will look at targets the environmental energy and think of different solutions before choosing the best one. We have different possible energy sources like solar energy, vibration energy, RF signals, and heat energy. Solar energy, it uses small solar panel and it converts heat in light into electricity. Vibration energy, it uses piezoelectric sensor and it converts motion into electricity. Heat energy, it uses thermoelectric generator and it converts temperature difference into electricity. Radio waves from surroundings. In the ideal stage, we can explore different types of energy sources and selected simple and efficient combination suitable for low power devices like IoT and etc.
Okay, so we have seen the idea part. So the next is the prototype.
So moving to prototype. The prototype is a small harvesting energy circuit that converts ambient energy into usable power generator. The main blocks of the circuit is energy source, rectifier, AC boost converter, energy source, and load. This energy source is converts into DC and rectifier is used to electrical power.
Now we can talk about the testing rates. It means we can want to. My friends are told about how to prepare the sources. I can test it. That means output water sources. Output water sources depend on the measuring suitable or stable for a low power supplies. It means we want to have a high batteries, but they conduct a high cost. In our source is very less cost. How now I can tell about the charging of the battery. We can charge in the battery with a suitable conditions. It means the battery size is very small, but the storage capacity we want to high because the source we want to supply the high energies in a low cost. The next one the efficiency consideration. Efficiency consideration is used to analyze battery sources. We want to have a efficiency power supply to have supplies the high voltage sources. And next one, energy dependency in environmental. We have a solar energy with coming from the sunlight. We have to harvest the energies to improve our battery health.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.